Why Terraform Stacks exists. A root module defines a deployment boundary. Terraform stores all managed resources from that deployment in a single state file. The dependency graph is built from every resource inside that state. Small environments often begin with networking, compute, and security resources managed together. A single deployment boundary is simple because Terraform evaluates everything in one place. Every new resource expands Terraform's dependency graph. Terraform evaluates the graph before generating a plan. Infrastructure growth increases graph complexity even when changes affect a small area. Large state files increase planning time and review complexity. The solution appears simple. Split the deployment into smaller pieces. Teams often split networking and applications into separate root modules. The networking deployment owns VPC resources. The application deployment owns compute resources. Each deployment receives its own state file. Smaller states reduce graph size and reduce lock contention. Application deployments still require information from networking deployments. Terraform Remote State allows one deployment to read outputs from another deployment. Data sharing solves resource discovery. Data sharing does not solve deployment sequencing. Teams still coordinate deployment order outside Terraform. A submarine separates navigation, sonar, and communications into different systems. Each system can operate independently. Mission success still depends on the correct sequence of actions between systems. Independent systems reduce local complexity while increasing coordination requirements. State decomposition removes complexity from individual deployments. State decomposition creates dependencies between deployments. Networking must often deploy before applications. Shared services may deploy before both. Deployment ordering becomes operational knowledge held by engineers and pipelines. Terraform stacks describe relationships between deployment units. Dependency information becomes part of configuration instead of tribal knowledge. Terraform gains visibility across deployment boundaries. Deployment ordering becomes explicit. Stacks solves coordination problems created by large-scale state decomposition.